In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for free. Imagine being able to transform your creative ideas into stunning visual content without ever spending a dime. Well, now you can with this handy tool. Let's dive right in and explore how to make the most of it. First, we start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to Google. Type in Nano Banana in the search bar. This will lead you to the search results where you'll want to look for the link that says Nano Banana, Gemini AI Image Generator, and Photo Editor. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Nano Banana site, you should see an option that says Try Gemini. Clicking this opens the main interface where all the magic happens. It's worth noting at this stage that this platform is intuitive and user-friendly, designed even for beginners to navigate effortlessly. As you find yourself on the Gemini platform, there's an exciting feature right in front of you, the Create Image button. Clicking on this is your gateway to enter your creative prompts. This is where you type in exactly how you'd like your image to look. It's crucial to be as descriptive as possible here. Imagine you're an artist trying to convey a vision. This tool allows you to iterate and refine your image until it meets your satisfaction. Feel free to tweak and modify your prompt as many times as necessary until it is exactly what you want. After all, creativity has no limits. Next, you have the option to add files. Perhaps you want to start with an existing photo as a base for your creation? No problem. Clicking on Add Files allows you to initiate the upload process. Simply choose the photo you want to upload and you're good to go. Following this, you'll see a button labeled Upload Files. Clicking here will finalize the upload process of your chosen photo. Now you have the choice to combine text input with your uploaded image to bring your ideas to life. One of the coolest features of Nano Banana is its capacity to blend multiple photos together smoothly. You can type in specific prompts that tell the AI how to blend your images. Maybe you want to change the location or background of your image, or perhaps you want two images merged seamlessly. This feature is incredibly versatile and can yield some truly unique results. In case you aren't completely satisfied with the image that was generated, no worries. Right below, there's an option to redo the process and try generating another image. If, however, you're pleased with the outcome and want to keep it, simply hover over the photo. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see an option to download the full-size image. That's it. Using Nano Banana, you can now create fantastic images with ease, all for free. Happy creating.